Hi guys, welcome back to Sam's Tech Review. Today I'm going to be unboxing this IFIXIT toolkit I bought from Best Buy today. It's a really good one. Want to do this fast? Oh, I think I have to. Oh, this is really cool. Hold on. Oh, wait. There you go. Well, that's really good branding. Okay. That's cool. Look, this. Whoa, it's like a metallic. Whoa, look at this. That's cool. I think that's the wrist strap, suction cup, spudgers, stuff. Oh yeah, I know those tweezers, spudgers, more spudgers, and pry tools. And this is the 64-bit variant, so there's stuff. Oh, this one out. Let me put that back in. See? 64 bits of bits. Alright guys, thanks for watching Sam's Tech Review. Like, comment, subscribe. Hope to see you guys in another video. Bye!